This is a bonus web tip from Paul Boudwin's Motivate and Engage Online Learners all semester long. I have kind of a love-hate relationship with email. I love the speed and casualness of it. I love how I can read email when I have the time, or that allows me to take some time to consider how I will respond to it. But I hate having an inbox that often has more than 100 messages, each one of them demanding my undivided attention. So, what happens? Well, I'll look at the subject line and quickly rank its importance. If it doesn't make the cut, it could linger there for many more hours. Or worse, I hit the delete button without even reading it. I suspect my learners have a similar process. So when I want my learners to have information that is important to their success in my class, I want to create a message that has as big an impact as possible. One way to create an impact is to make the email visually interesting. An email text editor will allow you to format the text or change the font. It can let you insert hyperlinks to important web resources or cute emoticons that try to convey personality to the page. You could also insert media that you've created or lay out important dates by inserting a formatted table. By including an attachment, you create an actionable task that brings the learner one step closer in being proactive with your message. But I probably wouldn't send out a message that looks like this one. It uses far too many text edits and actually makes the email seem, well, a bit unprofessional. Consider what your most important message is. Make an impact with that, and then build your email around it. Well, you might ask, is there an even better way to get my message out to my learners? My answer is, of course, yes. When there is lots of information that needs to be conveyed to your learners, say the week before midterm or the week before the final exam, perhaps you will consider creating a newsletter for your course. I have found that creating a course newsletter has the right mix of message impact, visual appeal, and professional appearance. It is a format that is friendly, professional, and informative. I organize the newsletter with the most critical information as a headline, and then box off other areas that learners can use to meet deadlines, track work, get connected to the help desk, or, you guessed it, contact me through email. To create the newsletter you see here, I turn to my word processing program's newsletter templates. And while it might take a little time to set up, once you have created your newsletter, you can recycle it each semester by updating the time-sensitive information. A newsletter is a format-friendly, professional, and informational document that your learners will take the time to look over and read. It can be an effective way to communicate the most important information you need your learners to have. Give it a try and see how it will work for you. I am Paul Boudwin, and I hope you have found this bonus web tip useful. See you online.